Which induction cookware set is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Astercook 21 PCS nonstick set. First up is the Astercook 21 PCS pots and pans set, priced at $59.99. What really grabbed my attention here is the detachable handles. It's like they thought of everything for convenience. If you want a space-saving solution without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk features. This set boasts a high-performance non-stick coating, which means you can say goodbye to burnt food and hello to easy cleanup. The removable handle is a game changer, allowing you to store your pots and pans without taking up too much space. Plus, it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. This matters because you can use it no matter your kitchen setup. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 8,600 reviews, it's clear buyers are thrilled. Now, some people mention that the handles can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you lock them properly, I found them to be quite secure. It might not be for those who prefer something more traditional, but for most, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're short on kitchen space or just want hassle-free cooking. Skip this one if you want a more classic, non-removable design. At $59.99, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if the removable handles aren't your thing, the next product takes a completely different approach with its unique features. Product number 2, Cooktops Non-Stick Titanium Set. Next, we have the Cooktops Non-Stick Pots and Pans Set, a 16-piece collection priced at $89.99. The titanium non-stick coating caught my eye, making cooking and cleaning feel almost effortless. If you're after durability and ease of use, definitely take a look at this set. So what makes this a solid choice? For starters, the titanium coating doesn't just promise ease of food release. It also ensures that your pans last longer, resisting scratches and stains. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction heats evenly, so there are no hot spots. Perfect for simmering sauces or boiling pasta. The silicone-sealed glass lids help trap moisture and flavor, letting you peek without losing heat. With over 3,600 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, people are clearly loving it. However, a few users mention they wish it was dishwasher safe. I get it, cleaning can be a hassle, but hand washing is recommended to maintain that non-stick performance. For those who don't mind a little extra effort, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and want a reliable set for everyday cooking. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can go straight into the dishwasher without worry. For $89.99, you're getting quality that can last. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger variety. Product number 3, Cooktops 21 PCS Non-Stick Cookware Set. Up next is another offering from Cooktops, their 21-piece non-stick cookware set priced at $119.99. The variety in this set is impressive, and the cream white color adds a nice touch to any kitchen. If you want a comprehensive cookware solution, this one is worth considering. This set features a top-level, harder non-stick granite material that promises 10 times the performance of standard non-stick surfaces. That means less sticking and easier cleaning. The pots heat up quickly and evenly, which is crucial for effective cooking. Plus, everything from frying pans to stock pots is included, meaning you have everything you need to tackle any recipe. With a 4.5-star rating from around 27,400 reviews, it's a customer favorite. Now, some users mentioned that they had to be careful with the handles, as they can get warm during use. Here's my take. This is pretty standard with most cookware sets, and using pot holders should solve that issue. It's not a deal breaker, especially given the overall performance. This set is perfect for you if you like having a full range of cookware at your disposal. Skip this one if you prefer a smaller, more compact set. For $119.99, it offers great value for a full kitchen setup. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact and space efficient, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Cooktops 19 PCS Detachable Handle Set. Moving on, we have the Cooktops 19 PCS pots and pans nonstick set, priced at $59.99. The detachable handles really stood out to me here, making storage a breeze. If you're after space-saving features without compromising on quality, this might be the one for you. What's impressive about this set is the optimal storage design that saves up to 70% more space. The nonstick ability means you can clean up quickly without scrubbing. Plus, the removable handle allows for quick transitions from stovetop to oven or table, which is super handy for serving. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, it's clear that buyers appreciate the innovative design. However, some people found the removable handle a bit tricky at times. I'll be real with you, it just takes a bit of practice. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. It's a minor inconvenience for a set that offers so much flexibility. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile, space-saving cookware option. Skip this one if you prefer traditional, non-detachable cookware. At $59.99, you're getting a lot for your money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, Cooktops 19 PCS Black Titanium Set. Lastly, we have the Cooktops 19 PCS Pots and Pan Set at $79.99. The black titanium coating really caught my eye, and if you want something that looks sleek while being functional, this is worth a look. The titanium non-stick coating ensures food slides out effortlessly, plus it prevents stains and odors, which is a huge bonus. The heat-resistant handles are ergonomically designed for comfort, making it easier to handle hot pots. It's compatible with all kinds of heat sources, including induction, which matters if you have different cooking appliances. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear this set is well-liked. Some users did mention that the pans can be a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, while they are a little heavier, that usually indicates better heat retention and distribution, which can actually improve your cooking. It might not be for everyone, but many will appreciate the quality. This is perfect for you if you want stylish cookware that performs well. Skip this one if you're looking for lightweight options. At $79.99, it's a solid choice for a quality nonstick set. Now that we've gone through these 5 options, let's recap what we found. So, to recap, we started with the Cooktops 21 PCS for its convenience, then moved to Cooktops non-stick titanium set for durability, followed by the Cooktops 21 PCS for its variety. Next was the Cooktops 19 PCS with its space-saving design, and finally, the Cooktops 19 PCS Black Titanium for style and function. Each set has its strengths, so consider what you need most in your kitchen. Whatever you choose, happy cooking!